Oh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. This is Bullshit Crypto Airdrop Platform. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We give out airdrops that you can make money from. Viable airdrops, potential airdrops that are about to be listed by PancakeSwap, Hotbeats, you can name them. All right. So, and this particular one, it's a pupdoge Pro. It's about to be listed by PancakeSwap in 12 days time. 12 days, 2 hours, 11 minutes, 5, 6, 4 seconds, thereabout. All right. So the earlier you claim this token, the earlier you claim this project, the better. All right. The earlier you claim it, the better, and that's why we are here to give you projects that you claim and hold for great value in the nearest future. All right, so without further ado, let's go straight to the point. How do we claim this airdrop? Let's You need to have a trust wallet to be able to claim this airdrop. If you do not have a trust wallet, you have to go to your Play Store or your iOS store to download Trust Wallet, not trust.wallet, but Trust Wallet. You download it to your mobile device or your system to be able to claim this. Now, let me go over to my Trust to quickly claim this wallet, taking us step by step on how to claim this airdrop. Now, this is my Trust wallet. Like I always say, for you to claim any of these airdrop or free tokens distributed by new projects, you need to have some amount of BNB. As you can see in my wallet, I have $4 worth of BNB. That's the smart chain. That's BNB. $4 worth in my own wallet at the moment. So you need to have at least some amount in your wallet to be able to claim this. Actually, it's for transaction fee, and the transaction fee is basically, it's in cents. It's just but few that are in $1 or $2, but majority of them are in cents. So this you having some amount of BNB is for transaction fee, so that you'll be able to claim these airdrops. So let's go straight to the point. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you can get more of these airdrops coming to you. All right, the more you have, the more money you can make in the nearest future. All right, so let's quickly go to claiming this airdrop, pupdoge Pro airdrop. Now, look at your tax bar. I call it the tax bar of my device. I have wallet, apps, decks, and settings. Like I said earlier or in previous videos, we are using apps, where you have the browser to paste the links you will be picking or you will be copying from our Telegram channel. Now, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, kindly do so. That is where we drop all the links and the contract addresses that you need to claim this and other airdrops that we'll be posting in this channel. So let's quickly go to apps. I tap on apps, and we have a browser here, a browser where we can paste any link. All right, so this is where you paste the link that you'll be taking from our Telegram channel. Let me quickly go over and pick the link from my mail this time. All right, the links are in our Telegram channel. You can quickly go there and access the link. Not just the link, even the contract addresses that you need to claim these airdrops are in our Telegram channel. So I copy this link, this URL, All right, I go back to the browser and my Trust wallet. I paste it in this browser. All right, I paste it here. All right, after pasting it there, I press enter. As soon as I press enter, it goes straight to the platform of pupdoge Pro, where we will claim the airdrop, where we will claim these free tokens. Now get to understand, or more like a reminder, that these free tokens are by way, a way of getting people, a community that will be that will be holders of this particular project or this particular token. So the more as the community grows, the more value is attached to that token. Now immediately that came up, it brings us here to connect to our wallet. You just press on connect. All right, it's trying to connect to your wallet. Now before you connect to the wallet, before you do that, make sure, or even after you do that, make sure you change this icon on the top after before the three dots at the top far right. Change the icon. This is Ethereum icon. Change it to smart chain. All right, change it to smart chain. This project is on Binance Smart Chain. It's not on Ethereum chain. It's on Binance Smart Chain. So once we connect, then we can connect to Binance Smart Chain. Previously it connected to Ethereum. Now we are connecting our Trust to Binance Smart. Is connecting to our Trust wallet via Binance Smart Chain. All right, now we are on Binance Smart Chain, and on the page that we will claim this airdrop, you scroll down and go where you see the link claim airdrop now. You press on that. All right, you press on that, to then it will bring you to this point. Now this is where the network fee is charged. As you can see on the screen, the network fee here is 0.19, that is around 19 cents, but the overall charge is around $1.43 at the moment. All right, max $1.63, that's what they're charging at the moment. Most times it doesn't get up to this amount. Most times it's very low, sometimes it's a little bit high. It depends on the timing anyway. So you click on approve. All right, immediately you approve it. Immediately you approve that, you have already claimed this token. How do we know that you have already claimed this token? You go back by clicking here. All right, you go back to your wallet from the task bar here. Where you have the wallet, the apps, the decks, and the settings, you go and tap the wallet. All right, immediately you tap the wallet there. Looking at the content of this wallet, we still do not see pupdoge Pro here. It's still not listed here. That means we need to add it. We need to add it by ourselves. How do we add it? You need a contract address to add any custom token. You need the contract address of that particular token on the blockchain to add any custom token. How do we do that? Let's go and pick up the contract address. Now all this information are on our Telegram channel. I go back where I have it here with that contract address. That contract address is more or less like an identifier of that particular token on the blockchain. Is the address to identify that particular token in the blockchain. Now I'm copying the contract address of this particular token. Without it, I will not be able to trace this particular token on the blockchain, and I wouldn't also be able to add it to my Trust wallet. So how do I add it now that I have copied it? I go to the far right of my screen where you have these two pins. All right, the far right of my screen. I tap it, then you have the list of tokens here, but it's not among this token. We want to add it, by ourselves. So you go down and down and down. The very last option where you see add custom token is where you tap. All right, after tapping it, it brings you here. Now when you come to this page, you go over to under the network, the very first option, you will see Ethereum there. You change that option to smart chain. All right, as you can see, it has changed to smart chain. Then you tap this paste. This is to paste the contract address we already copied. Immediately I tap it, every other thing will fill up, will autofill, because this contract address is an identifier of this particular token in the blockchain. Immediately you paste it here, it automatically fills in the other fields. It automatically populates the other fields in this of the token. So all we need to do now is just to go to the top far right, and tap done. Where you see done, you tap done. All right, as soon as you tap done, you will see, okay, now we have 2000 pupdoge pro. The unique identifier is PRO, or the short form for it on the network, or amongst the list, how it's been listed. Just like Bitcoin is said to be BTC, this one is PRO. All right, now that we have 2000 PRO, you can now go back to your wallet. You just go back, you will see it listed. Let's go back to the content we have. All right, you will see it listed here, pupdoge pro. I have 2000, in terms of number, 2000 PRO in my wallet. Now as soon as this particular token is listed in PancakeSwap, where you have this icon BEP20 will change. They will have their the logo of this particular project. You will see it there, just like you are seeing in BNB, you are seeing in Polkadot, you're seeing on Smart Chain and Bitcoin. As soon as they are listed, you will see their logo in your Trust wallet. Not just their logo, you will also see the value of those tokens, just like you see with the Smart Chain here. You see $3.34 here. The same, as soon as these ones are listed, like I said earlier on, pupdoge will be listed in 12 days time on PancakeSwap, and several other exchanges will follow suit. All right, so this is how you claim pupdoge pro in your Trust wallet. In case you have any question, please kindly drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much.